morning, or whenever the heck you're watching this video. Today we're going to talk about the Lasso tool. First things first, let's bring up the layers window with F7 or function F7 if you haven't changed your system preferences. Now that we see it, let's do Command L for new layer and name it something super cool like Q, because that's the lasso. So for today's sake, we are going to use the brush and create a C type letter thing. Select it and create a cool little fill. Bam. I know, that is just one piece of artwork if I ever saw one. So why would you want to use the lasso, which is Q? Well, all right, let's look at the alternative. Let's do direct selection, that's A. And let's say we wanted to just select the outer points of the C. We only have a square. So if we just want to select the outer points, it's also going to make us select the inner points. Now we could click on it and then hold shift and then start hitting no, that would be super annoying. So spark up Q, the lasso, and oh my God, all you have to do is lasso around it. I know we're not in a country western, but hey, it works. And by the way, remember, always hit Q. Do not even think about coming over here and looking at your tool window. You know what? I'm actually just gonna black that out in post right now so you can't see it. So again, why would we not use a direct selection tool versus lasso? Okay, let's say we want to just select the inside and nothing else. Well, then automatically we're going to start hitting the top, the outer part, and the right side of the C. Oh, right there. No, that's no good. That's too hard. Then you're going to have to deselect. You don't want that. Again, hit Q and just get yourself a nice piece of the inside like that, and you're done. All right, so now we've selected a part of our object. What the heck can we do with it? Well, hit A again for the direct selection, and then you can start messing around, making it look even more beautiful than it already is. I know it's kind of hard, but oh well. Let's try the outside again. Hit Q, just select a little bit of it, and hit A for direct selection, and there you are. You can move it at your pleasure. Leisure, I think I was thinking of.